Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, you can cook a frozen turkey in a turkey bag, but it's important to follow safety guidelines closely. Firstly, adjust cooking times accordingly, as a frozen turkey will take longer to cook through. Secondly, ensure that the oven temperature is set to at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, to prevent harmful bacteria growth. Lastly, use a meat thermometer to check that the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safe consumption. This method can help you save time and reduce the mess in your kitchen.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.